Shahid Afridi, one of the most iconic figures in the history of Pakistani cricket, is renowned for his flamboyant batting, skillful leg spin bowling, and charismatic personality. Nicknamed Boom Boom, Afridi entertained cricket fans around the globe with his fearless approach and match-winning performances. His career, which spanned over 2 decades, left a lasting legacy in both national and international cricket. Early life and rise to fame. Shahid Afridi was born on 1 March 1980 in Khyber Agency, in Pakistan's tribal areas. He burst onto the international scene in 1996 when, at just 16 years old, he scored the fastest century in ODI history at the time, a blistering 102 off 37 balls against Sri Lanka. This innings immediately catapulted him to international fame and gave birth to his nickname, Boom Boom Afridi. Batting style and records. Afridi was widely known for his aggressive and unpredictable batting style. Although inconsistent at times, his explosive ability to change the course of a game within a few overs made him a fan favorite. He scored over 8,000 runs in one-day internationals, ODIs, and holds the record for the most sixes in ODI history, 351 sixes in 398 matches. Some of his major batting milestones include ODI runs, 8,064 runs. ODI centuries, 6. Fastest ODI century, at the time 37 balls. Most sixes in ODIs, 351. Bowling prowess. Afridi was not just a batsman, he was a genuine all-rounder. His leg spin bowling was highly effective, especially in limited overs cricket. He took 395 wickets in ODIs and over 500 international wickets across all formats. Key bowling stats. ODI wickets, 395. T20I wickets, 98. Test wickets, 48. Best ODI bowling, 7/12 versus West Indies, 2009, one of the best bowling figures in ODI history. Captaincy and World Cups. Afridi captained Pakistan in all 3 formats. His most notable leadership achievement came during the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup, where he led the team to the semi-finals. He was also the leading wicket-taker of the tournament with 21 wickets. He also played a crucial role in Pakistan's victory in the 2009 ICC T20 World Cup, especially with match-winning performances in the semi-final and final. T20 franchise career. Afridi played in various T20 leagues across the world, including the Pakistan Super League, PSL, where he represented teams like Peshawar Jalmi, Karachi Kings, and Multan Sultans. He remained a popular figure in leagues due to his power hitting and crowd-pulling ability. Retirement and legacy. Afridi retired from international cricket in 2018, leaving behind a remarkable legacy. Beyond the field, he continues to contribute through the Shahid Afridi Foundation, which focuses on health, education, and clean water projects across Pakistan.